Here to make sure that the organization is fully geared up for the upcoming elections. The Congress Party and the UDF really have lived up to people's expectations as an opposition, and time has come for the LDF to go. We are here to serve the people, and the Congress Party is absolutely certain that we will get a complete majority and the blessings of the people of Kerala.
Congress is right now in a better position in Kerala right now. Last election, Congress have...
Those days have gone, a lot of time has gone by now, but today I think the last decade we have seen where the state has gone. People are hoping for the Congress UDF to make a strong comeback, and all of us are working towards that.
So one question regarding Rahul Gandhi's statement from the India-US trade deal that India has been solid. And right now, Rahul Gandhi said India is witnessing that there is against the farmers that India is witnessing.
It is very clear now. Usually we have trade agreements. This was a deal. This was an arrangement imposed by the US government onto the Indian people through a social media post. There were no discussions, and I think the interest of the Indian farmers, especially cotton, soybean, groundnut, all those farmers really have been left in lurch. And also there's been an opening left for other items, for non-tariff barriers. I think the interest of our farmers, of our milk producers has been put to the side because of the whims and fancies of the US government. And more importantly, I think the Indian government is under some pressure, because there is no government, there have been non-Congress governments before also, no government has sold out like this. And Mr. Gandhi says is absolutely correct. The interest of the farmers is beyond ideology. There is no government that has ever been so careless about the interests of our small manufacturers, cotton growers, soybean farmers, n number of people. And I think the deal that was struck, first time ever, the US government is imposing, and today they are saying that we have energy security independence, strategic independence. Today the US State Secretary has said that we have committed to not buying. How can any other nation tell India that you can or cannot buy oil? It is a sovereign decision. So we have been compromised in many ways, and I think they'll have far-reaching consequences, and I'm afraid this government will hold the blame for having sold out on very crucial issues.
One last question regarding Pawan Khera. He said that, Manisha Shankar Iyer.